In this Impact Radius affiliate marketing tutorial, I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to sign up with Impact Radius, how to create an account, how to get approved by popular brand, and also how to add your media property to make sure that as you're applying for different deals on Impact Radius, you are getting accepted. So if you are contemplating or probably have I making money with Impact Radius, so this is the money I actually made. I'm going to refresh my screen to show you that this particular money are much intact. So as you can see, this money is actually from Impact Radius. So as you can see, so ensure to watch this video from beginning to the end, because I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to sign up and how you can actually add your payment method to receive your money here in Nigeria. So without any further ado, let me show you. So Impact Radius is just like an affiliate marketing platform like ClickBank, like share ourselves. So but one of the advantage of using Impact Radius is the fact that they accept everybody, like everyone throughout the whole world. So and they are partnered with a lot of brands like Microsoft, like Lenovo, like Adidas. So you can actually sign up on Impact Radius and start doing CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. So and for you to get started on Impact Radius is very, very simple. So you actually need your email and your social media profile or your website. So if you don't have a website, don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how you can sign up without your website. Now you have to click on this publisher option, then you see a lot of options that is available for you to join. So you can join as affiliate, where you have to promote product to make sales. You can join as influencers, like a creator. If you have social media profile, you have Instagram profile that have a lot of likes and followers, you can actually join as influencer and creator. So but notwithstanding, I actually advise you to join as affiliate, because affiliates are actually comprise both of promoting as content creator as someone that actually have a blog. So you can join through the affiliate platform. So over here you have to click on get started. So you click on get started to actually show you the next stage for you to start promoting product on Impact Radius. So over here you have to sign up and start earning. So you click on sign up with your email. So if you have Facebook account, Gmail, Google account, you can actually sign up through this method, but I actually advise you to sign up using your primary email. So we are going to click on sign up over here, then we are going to enter our name. So let me type in my name over here. So we are going to choose a username. So I will actually advise you to choose a username that you can actually remember, so that because we are going to be using it whenever you want to log in. So I'm going to choose a username. So one of my website on Trend. So I'm going to use this particular username. Then now on this option you are supposed to choose a email. So you have to choose the email that you can actually remind, like whenever you want to log in, you can actually use this email. So I'm going to paste the email I want to use, then choose a password. So your password, you have to choose a password that you can actually remember whenever you want to log in. So I think the password actually requires you to put capital letter. So we are going to use capital letter, combination of capital letter, then special character before it can actually accept it. So the next thing you have to do now is to enter our phone number. So this place is very, very important. If you are from anywhere in the world, you have to choose the country you are from. So I'm from Nigeria, so I have to locate Nigeria in the option. So Nigeria in the option. So Nigeria. So this place is very, very important, because Impact Radius is going to be sending an OTP to your phone whenever you want to log in. So it's very important to choose the right option. So don't worry, probably you have been seeing different Impact Radius account that is in Nigeria currency. I'm going to show you exactly how you can change it from Nigeria to USA. So don't worry about this particular option. Choose the right phone number, which is your country phone number. So I'm going to click on agree to terms and conditions, then enter the phone number. You have to ensure you enter the phone number without putting 0, because we know we have +234. So the next 0 is not going to be there. Agree the terms and conditions, then click on get started. So they are going to send an OTP to the email we actually input. So I'm going to save this information so that whenever I want to log in, I'll be able to see it over here. So let me try to check the email if they have sent an email to my email. So I'm going to refresh this my email to see if they have actually sent the OTP to this email. So as you can see, this email actually received now verification from Impact Radius. So this is the code. We are going to copy this code, then come over to Impact Radius, then paste this code over here, then click on verify. So we are going to verify our information. So this place is very, very important. So they are asking, what is your primary business model? So I actually have a website. So it depends on where you actually have your media property. What we mean by media property is probably you have a blog, you have a YouTube channel, you have a website, or you have a social media profile. So if you are the kind of person that are just starting out with impact traders and you don't really have website, you can actually use this content option, which is content creator. Individual who market product and services to their own audience on social media profile. Probably you have a social media profile like in TikTok, like a Facebook profile that have like 1,000 followers, or Instagram. So you can actually choose this option. So but for the purpose of this tutorial, I have a website. I'm going to choose this option, then come over here to continue. So all these options, they are for advanced affiliate marketers. So I will not really advise all these options. So I will just choose this website. This one is actually very easy for you to get approval. So I'm going to click on continue. Then I'm going to add my website. So here you have to add your media property. So you can actually do it here, or you can postpone it to after you have gotten an approval, and you can actually add it later. So you are going to click on add media property. So for example, now if you have social media profile like Instagram, you can add it over here. So I'm going to click off to actually use website for the main time. So I'm going to be doing consequent video about adding media property like Instagram profile, like email list, podcast. There are a lot of media property you can actually add over here. So you have to click on add website over here. Then I'm going to go back to this my website. So this my website, I actually write product review about recent tech. So I'm going to copy the website URL, which is on trendj.com. So come over here, then copy the website, paste it over here, then select the is HTTPS. Then I'm going to choose the name of the website. Oh, okay, it said it's invalid. So I'm going to delete this, then choose the name for the website on trend J. So I'm going to click on submit for review. So I'm going to click on submit. Then probably if I want to add social media profile, like I have in Pinterest account that I have a lot of followers, so I can actually add my Pinterest account, social media profile. So but for the purpose of this tutorial, I will only focus on this website alone. So if you don't have website at all, I actually have a video about how you can start affiliate marketing website in just 10 minutes. I'm going to drop it inside the description of this video. Or probably you can use your social media profile. If you have TikTok, if you have Instagram follower, you can actually use this over here. You can use any of Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and you are going to be accepted to impact traders. So as far as you have like 1,000 followers and above, so there's high probability that you are going to get accepted. So the next thing you have to do now is to actually click on continue to actually move to the next stage. So over here, tell us about yourself. So I'm individual, so I'm going to click on individual, then choose the country we are from. So this is the place where a lot of people actually make mistake. Probably if you are choosing USA and you are actually residing in Nigeria, you are going to have issue, because I'm talking from experience. There's one of my impact account that was suspended due to the fact that I choose USA while I'm in Nigeria. So we are going to choose the country we are from. So I'm from Nigeria. So I'm going to click on Nigeria. So and actually choose the name I want this account to be displayed. So let me choose probably my website name, or probably my name. So I'm going to click on Philip. So I will actually choose Philip Komolafe as the display name. Then you can actually choose your address. Type in my address over here. So I'm going to type in my address. So I'm going to choose the city. It's supposed to be Ile-Ife. Then zip code. You can actually search online to check your zip code. So but I know my zip code offhand, so I'm going to choose my zip code. Then this is very, very important. So because if you check online, you see a lot of impact accounts that are dominated in Nigeria currency. So you have to make sure that you choose USA dollar currency, because if you choose Nigeria currency, your account is going to be in naira, and it's not going to be favorable. As you can see, dollar is actually increasing every day. So by choosing USA account, you make sure that whenever you want to withdraw, you are going to be withdrawing your money in black market rate. So ensure to choose USA dollar account. So the next thing we have to do now is to click on submit. Then you said you choose USA as your preferred currency. This cannot be updated after proceeding to the next stage. So please ensure your currency is correct before continue. So I actually like choosing my currency as a USA currency, because I actually like receiving my money in a black market trade. So I'm going to click on OK, then continue. So as you can see, we are on the next phase of applying for impact traders. So it's very simple. So the next thing is get started. We have to click on get started. So we have actually completed that one. We are done with that one. Verify your email is very important. We have done verifying of our email. So the next one is tax information, direct tax. We are not from USA, so we are not really paying tax. So I'm not registered for direct tax. So click on save. So I'm going to click on this one. Then we are done with that one. So next one. So the next thing you have to do is, probably if you have a logo for your brand or for your website, we are going to choose a logo for it. So I'm going to choose a logo for this my profile. So let me go back to my website. I'm going to click on here, then save this logo to my laptop. So save, then come over to Impact Radius to actually upload my own logo. So this particular logo, actually creating your profile allow you to get a lot of deals, a lot of approval from popular brands. So I'm going to upload the logo over here. Then this one is tell us about yourself or your company as a content. So let me go back to my Google Doc. So I actually have this write-up for you. So if you want this kind of write-up, I'm going to drop it inside the video description. You can actually copy it for free and use it for your website. But make sure that you actually do a lot of correction and a lot of editing for this particular template. So I'm a niche blogger or YouTube influencer. I provide my audience with insightful and valuable content on how to grow their businesses both offline and online. I tailor my content toward audience who are internet survey and they are ready to buy prospects. I do recommend because I have built the trust and relationship. So I'm going to copy this particular write-up, come over to Impact Traders, then paste it over here. So by building your profile, it allows popular brands to just check your profile and make sure that you actually get approval on time. So content interest, like you can actually tell them that you are interested in online business, like let's say online business. So you can choose different area you actually want to focus, probably CPA marketing. So let's assume that we are done with that. So you can choose, probably if your website is actually about reward or social media profile. So we actually choose content and review. So you have to click on save, then we have to proceed to the next phase. So we are done with this one. So let's check another one. So the next one is actually to verify our media properties. So it's very simple. So all we have to do is to click on verify. So we are going to click on verify. Then we can actually use different methods to verify this our media property. If you have an email that is related to your website, which is on tradegel.com, probably you have info.ontradegel.com, you can verify this your media property with that method. Or you can actually, I want to verify, paste the code to my website. So I will actually do this one. So copy this code, then paste it to the header of my website. So I'm going to copy the code, then come over to the header of my website. So I'm actually using this particular plugin, which is called Insight Footer and Header. So I'm going to locate the plugin. So plugin, okay, Insight, so footer and header. So you can actually do it manually by editing the script of your website, but that one is very hard. Like you have to use footer and header plugin. It's very simple for you to do that. So it's very simple. So all I have to do is to just, so this is the header of my website. So I'm going to just do a bracket, then paste the code, then click over here to save the information I just pasted over here. So I'm going to save the information. It's loading up. It's going to take a while for it to load. So if you're actually enjoying this content so far, I would like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop a content like this, you are going to be the first one to watch and to learn exactly how I'm able to be doing my affiliate marketing. So I actually copy it over here, then click on, I'm going to submit it for Impact Traders team to review it to get it approved. So I'm going to click on submit over here. So after clicking on, I've submitted the following instruction. Impact Traders team is going to review the website to make sure that it got approved. So after they have approved it, it's going to change from not verified yet to verified. So the next thing we have to do is to check our email to see when the process is going to start, like the application process will start. So I'm going to go back to my email to check what Impact Traders actually sent to us. So I'm going to go back. So as you can see, let me go back again. So we actually gotten an application review. So as you can see, application received. Hi Komlafe, thanks for applying for Impact Traders. We are reviewing your application for Philip Komlafe to join Impact Traders as a partner. The standard response for application is approximately 72 hours. So I'm going to wait for 72 hours for them to review the application, if it is successful or not. I'm going to give you feedback.
A few moments later.
So guys, after waiting for about 24 hours for them to actually approve my Impact Traders account, unfortunately I actually get this particular response in my email. So they are telling me verify your media property, submit to marketplace and application. So according to them, I have to follow these two guidelines before they can actually approve me into Impact Traders. So, and I've already done verifying my media property, but I probably it's not working. So I'm going to use the second option on this part, because you know they have like 3 options over here. I want to verify by pasting code on my website. I want to verify by editing content on my website. So I'm going to use this second option. So I'm going to copy this particular code, then come over to my website again. So then locate one post on my website. So I'm going to click on this particular post to actually edit the post and verify. So it's loading up. So I'm going to just like probably the second line, I can actually paste the code over here on my website, paste the code, then click on update. So I believe by this method they should be able to verify my media property and ensure, like I'm going to go back to Impact Traders again, then tell them I've followed the above instruction to verify my website, then click on submit. So they say task can be done. I think by now they should be able to verify the media property and actually approve my Impact Traders account.
A few moments later.
After waiting for about 24 hours, I actually got this email. Welcome to Impact. Congratulations, your application to join Impact as a partner has been accepted. To get started, you have to log into your account, connect your brand. After being connected, grab and share a trackable link with your audience. So I actually got approval with this particular Impact Trader. So I'm going to show you my dashboard. So this is my dashboard. As you can see, this particular account is dominated by US dollar, and I really like the fact that I can be able to withdraw my money to either PayPal or GrayPay if I'm actually residing in Nigeria, or Wise. So I can actually withdraw my money with any method I actually want. So another important thing I have to show you is how to add your media property and how to actually add your bank account. So you are going to click on these 3 dots over here, click on it, then click on settings. So with these settings, you can be able to add media property. If you have like TikTok account, if you have Instagram account, you can actually add your media property to ensure that you get more brand deals. So I'm going to click on media property over here. So media property. So as you can see, I actually get my website verified. So if I have Pinterest account, so you can click on create a media property. You can add your website, social media profile, mobile app, podcast, email list, and different other social media profiles. So by adding these social media profiles, it allow you to get approval for all these popular brands. So and more also, I'll be doing consecutive video about how you can get different deals from all these popular brands. So ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channels so that I'll be able to give you more updates about Impact Traders and how you can actually make money online. Thanks for watching this video. Ensure to actually watch this next video that's going to display on your screen.